So this is my stylish outfit for today. I'm wearing this lovely cat suit and this shawl. It's a very beautiful outfit. Lovely. I like sharing with you guys my outfit for the day, and also Chit related to my website design gigs. So I enjoy creating websites. So I've designed over 50 websites. So if you go on akinepatience.com/web design, you find out more about my web design. So I tend to recommend goods and services I have used, and goods and services I do highly recommend. For example, on akinepatience.com/fashion, I have mentioned some cool fashion brands such as Adidas, Nike. I've mentioned Levi. I enlisted Gist, Gucci, Prada, Chanel, Dior, Fendi, okay, Boohoo, H&M, CN. Guys, I'm done with my makeup. I'm just going to brush my hair and blow dry it a little bit. So now I'm wearing this black one. I like this black one as well. It's very pretty. It's sleek, as you can tell. It's very feminine. I love the jet black color. It suits my skin tone. What do you guys think? You think it looks good on me? Next, I'm going to wear my 2 waves and share with you how it looks like. Guys, this is basically the finished result of this makeup look. Guys, I have applied eyeshadow and eyeliner. I'm yet to apply eyeliner on these eyes. So on my website, akinepatience.com, on the top pages, I'm promoting hotels, I'm promoting beauty shop, makeup shop, skincare shops and more. So if you wish to work with me, or if you wish to sponsor my video or donate makeup items, perfumes, skincare. I like perfumes from the brand Dior, Gucci, Prada, Chanel. If you have one, exchange from marketing. Probably if you have a fashion shop in Breda or Bergen-on-Zoom or Amsterdam, I wish to have it listed on my website, akinepatience.com/fashion. Or if you have a perfume shop, for example, in Finland you have Moe Perfumery. In Middleburg you have the Parfumeur. So if you wish to be enlisted on my website, akinepatience.com/perfumes, you can contact me. Hi guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you some of my cool favorite beauty items. So let's get started. Wearing miniature hair. What do you guys think? So this is my current body wash from the brand Aberdeen. So as you can tell, I've already used it. It's a very good body wash. It smells really good. I'm also going to share with you more items I like to use for washing my skin. Actually, I got these 2 products. So I like to use this Mystic shower foam, and this one is a shower gel. It smells really good. I'm just going to share with you quickly the texture of this. This is a texture, so just put a little quantity on your hand, on your hair, on your body. Massage it properly, leave it stay like 2-3 minutes like this, and then rinse it off. So you can use sponge. So I'm just going to share with you the texture of this. See, this is how it looks. So it's quite different from this one. So this is pinkish. So it's foamy. So you can also use this, whenever you wish to wash your skin properly. Make sure it looks clean and tidy. Hi guys, this is a town called Osubarach. So a few blocks away from here you have some cool shops such as Crowdvat. You also have Omrup Ceyland. You have so many shops which you get to see in this video. I like to share with you cities, my outfit for the day, and more on this channel which you guys like very much. So this video is all about shopping. Most Dutch women likes to shop. They like to shop for skincare items as well. So most of the time Dutch women like to go to shops such as Carbath, Etos, Trekpleister, and for perfume they like to shop from shops such as Issy Paris, Douglas. So Issy Paris, Douglas are in several cities in the Netherlands. You have Issy Paris in Amsterdam, Rotterdam. You also have Douglas in Amsterdam, Rotterdam. So you can shop for beautiful perfumes from several brands such as Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci, Prada, Dior, Louis Vuitton, YSL from Issy Paris and Douglas. So if you're living in Belgium, Spain, or in Africa and you wish to visit the Netherlands, these are great shops for shopping for perfumes, or you may want to shop online. So on blacknut.me, blacknut.org, I mentioned some cool perfumes. So I just wish to inform you guys that my website, I'm trying to update it, so do bear with me. I'm adding some new pictures and videos, so it's going to look more updated afterwards. For the Y generation, it's important to keep your website clean, trendy, and with cool pictures that are recent. So that's why I decided to update it. So do bear with me. I'm going to update blacknut.me, blacknut.org, myfabulousbeauties.com, akinapatients.org. So yeah, I just thought let me share with you this cool information. So if you live in the Netherlands, do endeavor to shop from these shops. When it comes to fashion, most Dutch women likes to wear good fashionable brands. So they like to wear fashionable items from We Fashion, Zayman, Webra, H&M, Hema, already mentioned. So most Dutch women, when they are buoyant and they want to look very good, they like to shop from Hugo Boss, and they also like to wear perfumes from Hugo Boss. African women also like Hugo Boss perfumes. Dutch women likes it. British women likes Hugo Boss perfume. Almost everybody likes Hugo Boss perfume. Why? Because Hugo Boss perfume are so good. They have different smells, so it's very subtle and fresh. So it's ideal to wear subtle feminine perfumes. Speaking of perfumes, I like to share with you perfumes on this channel, because this channel is all about beauty, fashion, makeup, food, and music. Alright, so if you want to wear perfume as a woman and you're wondering which perfume will suit me, you guys should try out Gucci perfume. So Gucci has different brands. So you have Gucci Blossom, Gucci Rush. When it comes to Chanel also has different, like Coco Chanel, Chanel Mademoiselle, Chanel Chance. So every perfume has different lines. So these lines I have mentioned are very good for women. When it comes to men, I do encourage men to wear perfumes from brands such as Hugo Boss. You can wear perfume from Chanel Homes, Dior, Prada. So these are cool perfumes. If you need one-on-one coaching, you're highly welcome to contact me so I can guide you on the kind of perfumes you can use on yourself. So I thought, let me talk about beauty, fashion, cool shops in the Netherlands, where to shop for makeup, where to shop for skincare. This video is dedicated for my internationals, from different walks of life. Some of my internationals are from different countries. They're from Asia, from Arabian country. Most of you are from India, Mumbai, following me on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram. I hope this video comes in handy. So if you live in Belgium, you can visit the Netherlands and shop at these shops I have just mentioned, or you may want to shop online. So yeah, I thought I'd share. Thank you so much for listening. Bye for now. Take care. all these beautiful houses here. Lovely flowers in the garden. Looks amazing.